Here with another update of the 34-gallon Rescue Reef, and as you can see there's been several updates made. I have some new additions that I got over the past couple weeks as I've been slowly repairing the reef. First of which, I rescued this Fox Face Rabbitfish. Now this isn't going to be the permanent home for it, but it was really stressed out and it wasn't eating. And I felt really bad for it, so I ended up adopting it. And I've gotten it to eat, and it's much less stressed. Before, when I saw it earlier, it was nothing but black and white for days on end. And now it's got a decent amount of yellow, and it's able to hide. And it's doing fairly well. Another thing, as you can see, let's see if we can get him in frame. Aha! I did get a Scooter Blennie, and I also got a couple Turbo Snails to help with the algae control. There's one down there, and there's one up there. And they're doing a phenomenal job. I typically don't like getting Turbo Snails, or I prefer the Astrea Turbo Snails, because most Turbo Snails are harvested from cold water coast off California, but these guys are from Baja. So they're used to warmer water. And then up here you can see there's new coral. It's a pulsing Xenia. And there's another new coral down here. That's another Zoa. Planning on making this rock here a Zoa garden. There's also a Scarlet Skunk cleaner shrimp in here, and I got him to help pick some of the parasites off of the Fox Face Rabbitfish. And when I was treating the rabbitfish after it had been stressed, it had gotten a bad case of ick. I've been treating it, and as you can see, the rabbitfish is doing all right. But the cleaner shrimp is much use. It's very useful. I managed to get this leather tree to grow better again. It just needed more flow, and it was shedding its exo flesh. And so now it's back to growing normally. I still can't get this polyp of the the polyp of this coral to grow right. But the rest of it's doing phenomenally. So I don't know what's up. The Xenia trees are going full bloom. So is the regular Xenia coral. I changed the flow around and they all seem to be really enjoying it, instead of it being fairly stagnant. As far as fish, that's the updates. I keep losing some blue-leg hermit crabs, and I don't know what to. But they keep disappearing on me. And I think it might be... I had a conch in here for a while, and I think that might have been killing the hermits. But the conch passed away. But the biggest update possibly for this reef tank is this. I finally managed to get myself an RODI unit. And I really like this brand of RODI unit, because as opposed to traditional RODI systems where you have to use basically a pair of pliers and tweezers to rotate them out and pull them out, because it's just a giant hassle to do, like the one at my work. These is very adjustable, very helpful. As you can see, what this happens is when it's time to replace the cartridge, you just flip it up, twist it, pull it out, and put it back in again. And put in a new one again. And it is very easy to use, very user-friendly. And I quite enjoy it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the reef. bye.